everybody, we got this iPhone 12 that came in. Screen is cracked, as you see. The phone was dropped, screen's broken, so now let's replace it. Alright guys, we finally got it open. That's how it looks. Now let's replace the screen. I'm just sticking the battery right here. Oh, I almost forgot this flex right here as well. Alright guys, there we have it. Screen is off now. Replace it with the new one. Side by side comparison. The new screen right here, the old screen. Alright, so we're gonna move everything over from this screen all the way to the new one. Alright guys, now I'm plugging it back in. Alright, so I've connected all the connectors. Now I'm getting everything back together. Alright guys, so it's finally done. Now we're gonna close it up. Alright guys, there you have it. The phone has been successfully replaced. As you see, the older screen, this is a new one right here. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Do comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you everybody.